Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a flower cart with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x5 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 rounded plate right on the left hand side. Then I'm going to slide in another 1x5 plate right underneath. And then two more 1x2 rounded plates. This is going to be used to anchor down our flowers to the base of the cart. Then I'm going to crown off these studs with some stud flowers. Give this a bit more character, and also the dark green underneath is going to act as a shadow to make this look really deep inside. Set these right here. And then I'm going to come in here and stick some pink stud flowers right on top of these previous ones in these areas. And some of these little yellow tulip pieces, set these right here in the front, as shown. Then we're going to take several of these 1x1 2/3 rounded plate with a stud on the side. We're going to place these right here. These are going to be used to form up our sideboards for our cart. Place two more right here. Yeah, these are kind of small, so I gotta get my hands in the way here. Put those right there. I'm going to slide this off to the side. I'm going to take an upwards 1x2 by 2x2 angler plate. Take two more of these 1x1 2/3 plate with stud. Place these as shown. And on the face of this, a set of 1x2 jumper plates. What are those used for? To attach a handle right here. Set that as shown. Then set these just side by side to one another. Then I'm going to fix these sides together with a set of 1x6 flat tiles. Just set these right here. That'll straighten all this up. Right on these two studs, a 1x2 45-degree slope with a cash register print. Then I'm going to take a set of 1x2 rounded plates, set these on top of one another. Let's make two of these. Let's place these right on top of these studs, as shown. I'm going to take one of these short flower stems and some of these flowers, which you'd see like in a friend set. I'm going to place three of these on this stem. These are going to be like our roses. Place these right here. Just kind of rotate them into place. And I'm going to set this right in this back stud flower. Just kind of wiggle and jiggle that into place there. There we go. Then we're going to take four 3-stud long 3.2 shafts, place these right in these 1x2 rounded brick assemblies, as shown. Place that right there. For the top, we're going to start with a 2x6 plate. I want to flip this over. Take two 1x2 rounded plates. We're going to place these right here. These are going to be used to anchor the top to our supports. Now I want to flip this right side up. We're going to take six 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angler plates. I'm going to place three on the top and three on the bottom. These are going to be used to attach our decorations for our awning. Before we get to that, we're going to take three 2x2 25-degree ridge tiles. We're going to place these right here. This is going to lock all these joints together. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 heart tile. I'm going to place this right here, followed by a 1x1 half round flat tile. Make sure that's facing down. going to take a 1x2 half round tile, followed by another 1x1 half round tile, and a heart. Set that right there. And then I want to crown off this stud here with a red heart for extra love. Now I want to do the same thing on this side right here with another heart tile. Place this right here. 1x1 half round tile. Sure that's facing in the right direction. Then a half round 1x2 flat tile. Place that there. And you get the idea. Put these right in here. Looks really good. And then we're going to crown off this side here with another heart tile. And then we're going to place a red heart right on that stud to complete the top. Now, I'm simply going to place these sticks inside these holes. I'm just going to set this on top and press this down firm. Should snap all the way in. There we go. Now we're going to put some wheels on our cart. So I'm going to take one of these 2x2 rounded modified plates and some skateboard wheels. Place these in as shown. We're going to place this right here. Now I'm going to hold on to this tulip because this thing's going to get kind of springy here. We're going to set this right in here. Just kind of pinch this down and pinch it down right here too. That's the only critical part of this project here. Just pinch that down. There we go. And then we're going to take a 2x2 modified plate with 2 bearings. I'm going to place some of these wheelchair tires on this one here. Look more like bicycle tires. And we're going to place this assembly right on this side here. That one's pretty easy. And that completes the flower cart, and it's complete with the cash register, ready for some sales.